Hello everyone, welcome back to Riz English Channel. I'm Riz, your English teacher and friend. Today's lesson is all about something we all do almost every week. Can you guess what it is?
Eating? Sleeping?
Close. It's something that usually costs money.
Oh, shopping?
Yes, shopping. Have you ever gone shopping in an English-speaking country and didn't know what to say?
Oh, yes. I remember when I went to a supermarket in London. I didn't know how to ask for a bag. I just stood there smiling.
Yes, that happens a lot. Don't worry, today we'll fix that. By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly what to say when shopping anywhere in English. You'll sound confident and friendly.
That sounds great.
So if you love shopping or just need to buy food, clothes, or gifts, stay with us. You'll learn many useful phrases today. Music fades out slowly. Let's start simple. When you enter a shop, what's the first thing you hear?
Usually, someone says, "Hello, can I help you?"
Exactly. That's the most common greeting in shops. The shop assistant might also say, "Hi there," or "How are you today?"
And how should I answer?
Good question. You can say, "Hi, I'm just looking, thank you." Repeat after me. I'm just looking, thank you.
I'm just looking. Thank you.
Perfect. That phrase is polite and simple. It tells the person that you don't need help yet.
Okay, I like that. I'm just looking. Thank you.
Very good. Now, sometimes you do need help. Let's say you're looking for jeans. What could you say?
Maybe, "Excuse me, where are the jeans?"
Excellent. That's perfect English. You can also say, "Excuse me, can you help me find jeans?"
Can you help me find jeans?
Very nice. Try saying it slowly and clearly.
Excuse me, can you help me find jeans?
Great job. And listeners, try saying that with us. Excuse me, can you help me find jeans? Nice. Now, the shop assistant might say, "Sure, they're over there," or "What size are you?"
Oh, yes, size. That word always confuses me.
Let's fix that too. Size means the number or fit of your clothes. For example, you can say, "I'm a size medium," or "I wear size 38."
I see. So, I can say, "I wear size small."
Exactly. Repeat after me. I wear size small.
I wear size small.
Perfect.
What if I'm not sure about my size?
Then you can ask, "Can I try it on?"
Can I try it on?
Yes. That means you want to see if the clothes fit you.
And where do I go to try?
You go to the fitting room or changing room. You can ask, "Where is the fitting room, please?"
Where is the fitting room, please?
Excellent. That's polite and clear.
This is useful. When I went shopping before, I didn't know how to say, "try on."
Yes, many learners don't know it. That's why practice is important. Now imagine this, Zoe. You walk into a store. The assistant says, "Hi, can I help you?" What do you say?
I'm just looking, thank you.
Good. Then you find a nice shirt. You go to the assistant and say,
Excuse me, can you help me find this in medium?
"Excellent." And the assistant says, "Sure, one moment, please." After you try it on, you go to the cashier. What happens next?
The cashier says, "Did you find everything okay?"
Very good. That's a common phrase. You can answer, "Yes, thank you," Or, yes, everything's fine.
Yes, everything's fine.
Perfect. Then they'll say, that will be $20. Or, that's 20 euros.
So I pay and say thank you.
Right. Or, thank you very much. And they will usually say, have a nice day.
I love that phrase. Have a nice day. It feels so friendly.
It does. It's one of the most common goodbye phrases in shops. Let's repeat it together. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Good. Listeners, your turn. Say it out loud. Have a nice day. Wonderful. Now let's learn a few more useful shopping words.
Okay, I'm ready.
Discount. Do you know that word?
Yes, it means something is cheaper.
Exactly. You can ask, is there a discount on this?
Is there a discount on this?
Very nice. You can also say, is this on sale?
Is this on sale?
Great job. And if something is not available, the shop assistant might say, sorry, it's out of stock.
Out of stock means not available, right?
Yes. So if you want to ask, you can say, do you have this in blue?
Do you have this in blue?
Perfect pronunciation.
I feel like I'm really in a store now.
That's good. The best way to learn is to imagine real-life situations.
What about when I go to a supermarket? Are the phrases the same?
Some are, yes, but supermarkets have a few new ones. For example, when you go to pay, the cashier may ask you, do you need a bag?
Oh, yes, I remember this. I didn't understand the first time. I just smiled.
Yes, that's very common. You can answer, yes, please, or no, thank you, I have my own bag.
No, thank you. I have my own.
Perfect. They might also ask you, do you have a loyalty card?
Loyalty card.
It's a small card you use to get points or discounts. If you don't have it, just say, no, I don't.
Okay, that's easy.
And sometimes they say, would you like the receipt in the bag?
Oh, yes. Receipt means the paper that shows what you bought.
Correct. You can say, yes, please, or no, I'll keep it.
Got it.
Let's do a quick practice. I'll be the cashier, you be the customer. Ready?
Ready.
Hi there. Did you find everything okay?
Yes, thank you.
That will be 15 euros. Do you need a bag?
No, thank you. I have my own.
Would you like the receipt in the bag?
No, I'll keep it.
Perfect. That's exactly how a real shopping conversation goes.
That was fun.
You did great. And to all our listeners, great job. Keep practicing these phrases every day. Next time you go shopping, try using them.
And if people speak too fast, remember to say, could you speak slowly, please?
Exactly. Practice makes you confident.
Thank you, Riz. I really learned a lot today.
You're welcome, Zoe. And thank you to everyone listening. If you like this episode, please like, share, and subscribe to Riz English Channel.
Yes, your support helps us make more lessons for you.
Remember, learning English is a journey. Every small step counts.
Keep listening, keep practicing, and keep smiling.
Well said, Zoe. See you in the next episode of Riz English Channel. Take care and have a nice day.
Have a nice day, everyone.